Hey everyone, it's Heather. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I'm here to share fitness, wellness, and mindful living strategies to anyone looking to level up their health and well-being. If that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss my future videos. For today's video, I'm sharing with you a quick and easy 5-minute warm-up routine that you can do before your workouts. We've got some awesome cardio exercises to kickstart your cardiovascular system, as well as some dynamic stretches to prepare your body for your workout. I'm going to be linking this video in the description of my future workout videos so that you can always come back to it for a quick warm-up before your workout. Without further ado, we're just going to jump right into the warm-up. I hope that you love it as much as I do. Let's get started. Welcome to this quick and easy workout warm-up routine. To start, let's do some jumping jacks. So you're just jumping the legs in and out, moving the arms up and down. For a modification, you can also step out each leg while moving the arms. This is great, especially if you're living in an apartment. Each exercise in this warm-up routine is only 30 seconds. We're already more than halfway through the first exercise. So let's go. We're gonna get you ready and warmed up. All right, almost there, and we're gonna be switching to the next exercise. You're gonna be doing high knees, so you can do it walking or marching on the spot, bringing those knees up towards the chest. You can also jog if you'd like to do that. I'm definitely not a runner, but I'm just showing you a side view there. Just bringing the knees up towards the chest. And you can also march it out. All right, we're almost there. We're gonna switch to the next exercise. So we're gonna be bringing our foot towards our butt. So I've got a few different ways to do this. So you can just step side to side, bringing the foot towards the butt. You can add in your arms for some extra shoulder motion and mobility. You can jog on the spot while kicking your butt. So you can choose which one you wanna do. I'm gonna rotate between the different ones as we warm up. We've got 30 seconds of this. Pick which one you wanna do or switch between them like I am. And don't forget to smile while you're at it. All right, so we're just about ready for the next exercise. So this one you're gonna have to follow along with me to get the movement. So you're just doing a step reach. You're gonna do that twice on each side, and then you're kind of gonna swipe your hand in front of your body. What I really love about this warm-up exercise is we're moving across several different planes of motion. So we're warming up our legs, we're warming up our shoulders and our arms all at the same time while getting a little bit of cardio in. So it's a great way to get the blood flowing to our muscles and our muscles ready for action. So the next exercise, you're just going to touch your opposite foot to your opposite hand, and you're just going side to side. You're doing a bit of a side lunge while you do it, and you should feel a nice stretch down the inner thigh of your straight leg. Now you don't have to go all the way down to the floor with your hand. You can also touch the opposite knee. Go as deep as you feel a good stretch. The stretch should not be painful. All right, great job. We're about halfway through our warm-up routine. So this next exercise, we're just gonna do some hip openers. So you're doing hip circles with your legs. You can put your hands on the back of your head or even on your hips. If you'd like it to be a bit more challenging, you can add in a squat between each hip circle. So you can do whatever feels comfortable for you. Keep that core nice and tight throughout this movement, so really engage it as you're doing this exercise. Great job, keep it up. All right, so we're transitioning to the next exercise. We're gonna be doing some squats, and you're gonna reach down towards the floor and up towards the ceiling as you do your squats. Now, as a modification, you can put your hands on your knees and reach up towards the ceiling. You don't necessarily have to go all the way down to the floor. You wanna make sure that your knees aren't coming too far over the toes as you're doing your squats. So how you can accomplish that is really push those hips back as if you're sitting on a seat. All right, great work. We're moving on to the next exercise. So you're gonna be doing a lunge, and you're kind of leaning your body to the side to feel a nice stretch down the side of your body. Now you wanna make sure that you're leaning towards the front leg to get that opposite side stretched. A few modifications is you can actually do a reverse lunge. I find the reverse lunges are a little bit easier than doing a forward lunge. You can also do regular lunges if you don't wanna add in the side bend. Now just at the end here, I'm showing you a modification with just one arm. You can do whichever one you feel most comfortable with. All right, we made it to the last exercise in our warm-up routine. These ones are called thoracic rotations, and this one's a great mobility exercise. We're gonna start on all fours, and you're gonna take one hand and put it on the back of your head. With that bent elbow, what you wanna do is bring it down towards the opposite arm, and you'll feel a twist throughout your spine. It should feel comfortable for you. Hold that for a second, and then you're gonna open up that elbow and lift it towards the ceiling so that you, again, have a small twist in the spine and you feel a nice stretch. Alrighty, there's one side. Let's switch to the other to finish off this warm-up. So we're bringing that elbow towards the opposite arm, and then we're lifting it towards the ceiling to feel a nice twist of the spine. This should not be painful. Make sure you work within your own mobility. Thank you so much for doing this workout routine. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any future videos that I post. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I'm so grateful for you. Take care. Bye.